Welcome back to Mike's Man Cave and welcome back for another drone video. Now, we haven't done any drone videos for quite some time, and this is my Phantom 4 Pro Plus. Now, I did a video a little while back where I actually travelled to Sydney to buy this second hand. Now, if you haven't seen that video, I will link it down below in the description box for you so you can have a look at it after you've watched this video if you are interested. Now, the DJI Phantom series of drones was sort of the top of the range of the consumer drones, and it sort of blurs the line between consumer and professional. Now, this particular drone here, I can tell you, was over $3,000 when it was brand new. So that is a lot of money, $3,000 worth of drone in this box. Now, I didn't pay that for it. I think I paid about $1,000 for it second hand. And the most amazing thing about it is when I picked this up, it had an hour and 15 minutes roughly flight time on it. And it came with 3 batteries. Now, the batteries for these are around the $300 mark, $275 in Australia. And when I got this, I pretty much picked this whole drone up with 3 batteries for the price of 3 batteries. So let's have a look at it. I haven't really done much with my drones because pretty much after I bought this, we went into lockdown, and I haven't really been out flying drones too much during that time. And then I've been busy doing other stuff. But let's have a look at what we've got here. Let's have a look at the controller first. Now, what makes this the Phantom 4 Pro Plus? The Plus is the controller. Now, most DJI controllers do not have built-in screens, whereas the Pro Plus does. And I was not going to buy a drone without a built-in screen. It drives me insane having to connect your phone to it, and then it's just a pain. So if you're going to buy a Phantom 4 drone, spend the extra and get it with the built-in screen. I'll turn it on for you. Now, I've put my little Mike's Man Cave stickers on there, but these screens are really good. You can actually see these screens in the sunshine outside in bright sunlight. They're really, really good. And I love this controller. You can see it do its thing. DJI comes up, and there you go. You've got a built-in screen that you can see where you're flying or what you're doing. Now, I'm not a technical type person, but look, the picture quality on the screen, the resolution is absolutely amazing. It's crystal clear. I mean, look, I don't know the specifications of it because I just like to fly the drone. But there's the controller, and it is absolutely amazing. So let's put that aside, and here's the actual drone. DJI Mike's Man Cave. The batteries go in the back here. Now, I like labeling my batteries. That one's number 3. That way I can keep track of the batteries. And it just clips in there. It does 4K. Again, like I said, I'm not a technical person. I don't even record at 4K because my computer struggles with 4K video. Most of my stuff is done at 1080 HD. It came complete with 2 sets of propellers. There's the left one and the right one. You can see different colors there. And they just clip in here. Like that. They just lock in. And that's it there. Now, it came with 2 more batteries, which I've labelled battery 1 and 2. Number 3 is in the drone. And it comes complete with a charger cable and a charger adapter. Okay, that plugs straight into your batteries and charges up the batteries. I am in the process of setting up a site, Business Flying Drones. I do have a license to fly drones, and I am allowed to fly commercially, i.e. get paid to fly drones. So there you go. This is the reason that I picked that up. These drones produce great quality images, and they are quite capable of being used in the professional capacity. Now I can hear what you're thinking. Less talking, more drone flying. Let's go outside and try it out.